Ladies and gentlemen, brand new video. Thank you for tuning in. Part 22 of the Amazon rebuild. And we are making some great progress again. We are gonna disassemble the complete front suspension today to, begin this video. And I already started, so I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. Let's go, guys. So normally I would do a job like this on my workbench. That's why it's there. That's why I keep a nice workbench over there. But of course I need to film this and I don't have a lot of camera space over there. So I just started here on the floor and now it looks like this. We have one spring out, we have one shock out. That all went crazy well. This is your, of course, your upper A-arm. That's your lower A-arm. We need to get those off. The top one is actually just clamped down, and then there is a big axle thingy over here, your upper hinge point, so that can also be removed. And that's also how you adjust the alignment on these cars, by just adding and taking out shims. A nice little batch of stuff over here, and this all needs to be sandblasted. Well, most of it. Let's just do a quick rundown. So over here on the workbench we have the axles which connect the lower A-arm to the subframe. We have those top mounts for the upper A-arm. These are from the hub. Then we have the brake dust covers, which are just very terribly dirty and nasty. We have the other main plates. So that's that, if I'm correct. This connects to that, then that connects to that, and then it becomes a hub. You will get the point later when we will build this. The only thing I did find out, this is a shock mount. So this is actually a mount for the shock absorber, which is screwed underneath your A-arm in this way. And over here is a rubber. But on the other one, the complete thing just sheared off. So that was just rusted through. So what we will do, we will sandblast this, and then we can get one of the old shocks, because these shocks have those rings welded onto there sometimes, and sometimes they are loose, like this one. So what I have over here is one of those loose ones. So we can just throw that on there, weld it down, and then that should work perfectly fine. I do have a question, because I found these in the degreaser box, but I don't know if these are 240 or if those are Amazon, because I also found two in the sandblast box, so those could also be from the Amazon. We'll see. I need to find the rubbers, and we need to do a lot of sandblasting. Guys, slowly but steady, we're making some progress. My face is a bit dirty, especially my nose, because I was wearing a dust mask. Over here we have everything that has been sandblasted at the moment, except the brake divider. But yeah, pretty happy about how it's turning out. This will all be, of course, painted. Everything that's here except these will be painted. This will be newly zinc plated. So these are actually the brackets which hold down the front suspension. So there is a rubber inside of there, and then those will be clamped down. So if these are nice zinc plated with brand new rubbers, it will look amazing. Then in the sandblasting cabinet is actually those other brackets which hold those round things down. We have the bolts for the lower suspension, lower A-arms. As you can see, these have some rust, so this bit is sandblasted. And as you can see, that will just take away the rust, and it's a rough surface, but not as rough as the rust. So it's just doing this, doing that, and I'm actually trying to make a plan for the Amazon body again, because I just need this thing painted. We also need to rebuild the purchase I did back in October. And that is actually, yeah, both SU corps and the manifold and everything. So all these throttle linkages will be sandblasted. Every single little bit of bolt bracket thingy from the carburetors all need to be like, yeah, it all need to be taken apart and zinc plated, sandblasted, painted, and go on. So yeah, that's a lot of work. So that's how I like to work. I want to do stuff before the paint, because then when the paint is done, we can immediately throw the car on its wheels, throw the rear axle on there, throw the engine in there, and then make some moves. So let's go. So guys, brand new day. Yeah, it's actually evening already. Having a YouTube channel and restoring a car is not always fun, because there are some parts that are just not interesting to film. And the thing I did all day long, and I mean from around 11 in the morning, because it's weekend, till it's now yeah, 6:20 in the evening. So yeah, I sandblasted a lot of stuff. So over here we have a nice little batch of stuff. This is all I sandblasted today, and you can imagine these are like the shims for your front suspension, and you have different thicknesses. I think only these shims were at least half an hour of sandblasting, at least. The thing I'm doing in between all this sandblasting is actually chiseling away on the undercoating of the car. So there is some undercoating, and this is all now cleared up. I will keep on sanding, keep on scraping, but yeah, I think Monday will be a pretty nice day to continue all this yeah, very painful and boring work. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, before going on with the video, I just want to throw out there that I'm currently very busy with getting a new shop, and there are some things happening. And when I get a new shop, I will be open for everyone, for customers and welding jobs, restoration, everything. So big things are happening. Stay tuned. So guys, another weekend, another day at the car, and yeah, it's just a slow process, guys. As I told you in a previous part, I am sandblasting everything from the front suspension. That is going pretty well. So sandblasting takes time. That's just how it is. And yeah, so we need to take out all that roof liner over there. No, not the roof liner, but the sound deadening and stuff. And then we also need to take out the rear seat and everything that's in the car right now, because yeah, we might be moving soon. So guys, it's another day done, and yeah, you can see my face. I have some weird black spots on my face, and that's all just undercoating because we're still scraping away. Yeah, over here we have the car, but look at this. This is starting to look like a very clean chassis. This is all cleaned already, as you can see when we go underneath. It's all clean, no undercoating anymore. That side, the transmission tunnel is also completely cleaned, and I only need to clean off that side, so all the little black spots you still see need to come off. So frame rails are pretty nice. Didn't find any more rust. Maybe this is a cool shot. As you can see, transmission tunnel is very nice. So yes, not a very nice job, not a very fun job, but a job that needs to be done. So still just scraping away, and I think that's where we end this video. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hopefully next time, yeah, I have some shop info for the new shop. Bye bye.